So one of the problems with using Mixamo animations, so we've downloaded this particular one just as a standard FBX file binary. So one of the problems with using these files or getting them into Blender, so file, import, FBX, just standard import, select, and the options, leave the options mainly at their default, so these are okay. We want to change some of the armature information. So ignore leaf bones, force connected, and auto bone orientation. So we want those selected, and then just import. But when we do that, the skeleton and the animation will come in incorrectly orientated relative to Blender. So this is because Mixamo rigs, at least for bipeds, don't have a root bone. So all the XY motion is caught or captured in the hip or pelvis bone. And the problem with that, with Mixamo in particular, is that the pelvis bone isn't imported correctly orientated. So this is incorrect. So the fix for this, so again, it's animated. The fix for this, and we can see if we drop into edit mode that the skeleton is correctly orientated and set up relative to the ground plane and central axis. The fix for this is to reorientate the bone. And all we need to do for this, we don't need to do anything particularly special to this, is grab the tail node of the hip bone or the pelvis bone, and then shift click the head node of the spine bone. So we've got those two nodes selected, then armature, snap, selection to active. So again, just a quick reminder, so it is animated. All we're going to do is that simple change. So snap, selection to active, tab out back into object mode, and there is our correctly functioning animated sequence. So this may only work with bipeds. So multi-limbed characters may differ because they may have multiple hip or pelvis bones depending on how many limbs there are and how they are connected to the overall skeleton or rig. So that's your fix. So whenever you import something into Blender and it's not animating correctly, the animation is not orientated correctly relative to the ground plane, check for the pelvis or the hip bone to see how that's orientated, and try reorientating it so that it is connected to the spine bone. And that's all we need to do.